Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. Hope you all are doing great. We have a product of IKEA FINMAT series. This is a frying pan basically. The FINMAT cookware series are designed by Crawford. These are made up of copper and stainless steel and have a very beautiful look and very inspiring to use. The copper has robust and tactile look that adds a soft touch to the kitchen while providing even and efficient heat transfer, which makes your food cook well. The inside is made up of durable stainless steel, which makes the pot easy to both use and clean. At the same time, the shining inside elevates your cooking experience. You can use this frying pan both on stove and in oven, and it works great on the induction hob. When it comes to the price, it cost around 5990 in INR and somewhere $72 in USD. I hope you like this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to watch more video like this. Thank you. Bye.